Hi everyone, I am back with another market commentary for today, that is the 13th of March. What I can see is the discussion we had yesterday about the negative range shift on 3 minute, on the 15 minute has played out pretty well. We saw a sharp correction from the level of 22,500 straight to 22,000. Today, the market actually opened higher with a gap up at the level of around 22,450, and then it was a nosedive all the way to 22,000, which was our next support level. What I can see is on the 15-minute time frame, we've now gone to the negative range shift, if you notice here. So I'm going to delete this line and I'm going to draw a new line now because we've gone to the negative range shift. So now I no longer expect the market to recover for a while. If it does try to recover, then 22,250 is going to be the next resistance. The next very important support for the market is 21,850. The 75-minute time frame also looks quite negative. I do see the correction heading slightly lower. If 21,000 gives away, then 21,650 will be the next key. Now, if you are interested in understanding more about why this correction is happening and how you can take advantage of this correction and the loss that you're probably seeing in your portfolio, then do join me for the session at 5 p.m. where I will be talking to you about how you can convert the loss in your portfolio into tax reductions for the profits which you might have booked this year or the profits which you will be booking in the years to come. So join me today, that is the 13th of March at 5 p.m. on my YouTube channel.